Hi, in this video I'm going to show you 3 easy hairstyles you can do to your curly hair. For the first hairstyle, I'll be using this hair clip. You want to make sure your hair is parted on the side, then section out the front section and tie the rest of your hair back. Then I'm going to part that section and make sure the part is straight. Once I have my part, I'm going to wet that section and twist it. And then I'm going to tie it with a small rubber band. And I'm going to create 2 more twists. And I'm just repeating the same step. I'm wetting the section, twisting it, then tying it with a rubber band. Once I have my 3 twists, I'm going to grab the 3 little tails and clip them together with the hair clip that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. I'm using my Edge Fixer Glue by Kiss Colors, and I'm going to brush my baby hairs, and I'm using a toothbrush to brush them. And then I'm going to apply some hair product to my hair to freshen it up. And that is it for the first hairstyle. Super cute and easy. For the second hairstyle, you want to part your hair in the middle and section out 2 triangle sections on the front of your hair. And clip the rest back to keep it out of the way. Then I'm going to braid those 2 sections. This took a very long time. I feel the bigger the braid, the faster you braid it. But I feel like the smaller the braid, it looks cuter because it's right in your face, it's in the front. So I wanted to go with small braids, but you can make them as big as you want. And I'm going to tie them with a small rubber band. Once I'm done braiding those 2 sections, I'm going to grab some hair from the top to do a half up, half down style. And you can brush the top ponytail for a clean style. But I just grabbed it and tied it up because I liked the messy look. And I'm using this silky hair scrunchie to tie my hair up. And that is it for hairstyle number 2. Very cute and easy half up, half down hairstyle. Then for the last hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair in the middle and section out 2 front sections. I'm parting it from the top of my head to the back of my ear. And once I have my 2 sections, I'll tie the rest back to keep it out of the way. Then I'm going to wet the section and then apply a little bit of styling product, and then I'm going to Dutch braid the entire section. This took a while, my fingers were getting tired. Then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band and then do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so once I have my 2 sides nicely braided, I'm going to go ahead and brush my baby hairs using the same Edge Fixer Glue that I used in the beginning of the video to make sure that my baby hairs are looking nice and neat and laid down. And then I'm going to mist my hair with some water and apply some styling product to refresh my hair. And that is it for the last hairstyle. This is a cute hairstyle and great to keep your hair away from your face. And this is how my hair looked completely dried. And this is another hairstyle you can do with these 2 front braids, a low bun. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And also like this video to support my channel. And see you guys in my next video. Bye.